I'm going to walk you through my storage space here. How I finished the floor, how I built shelves, why I built them, how I organized my spaces, how we integrated our storage room to our laundry room, why we did these things, and how this is so efficient and easy for us to find every item that's in here really quickly, and how to maintain it and keep it managed so that it doesn't become a mess over time. So I'll run through all of my ideas and what I did here, but I would love to hear from you in the comments on what you would have done differently, what you like about this, what you don't like about it, so that maybe I can adjust and tweak and learn something for the future. And anyone else watching, they can learn too. So let's get into it and start walking through. So as we walk in, right away the concrete floors were finished with an epoxy garage floor coating that I did myself. A little pro tip, buy extra flake. You can buy the flakes online in big quantity. I bought like 50 pounds, and what you do is you get a much better coverage on the floor. Clean it really well, fill all the cracks with the crack sealer, and it ends up being a smooth surface. I did this in my basement shop as well as this whole space. So we also finished out all of the walls with drywall, except for in this area, the concrete walls are still there, painted white because they were existing. So as we come into the space, I've got this series of shelves along two walls, this wall and this wall. These were built so that all of these bins fit perfectly. So they slide in perfectly. All of the red ones are Christmas. And you'll see that we have labels on both sides, both ends. So there's Santas in this one. There's Santas in this one. My wife has an extensive Santa collection. So we did that so that everything would fit. We don't access these but twice a year, when we set up for Christmas, when we take down. So they're up high. This middle row that is very easy to reach, this is our Costco stock up. Paper towels, toilet paper, boxes of tissue, there's shop towels back there. And then we have certain things like when nieces and nephews and kids come over. A lot of Legos, 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 Legos. We also have a memory box for each of us. This box has all kinds of memories from my childhood. We have other boxes for our kids as well. I have things like some camping gear. The orange bin is Halloween. We keep odds and ends stored up here. Extra sheets and blankets for when we're camping. This is more camping gear. I keep my flag in here. We kept our old microwave for my son used this his freshman year in college in the dorm room. My daughter may do the same. We have a space for golf clubs down below. That's my wife's and my son's. The crates for cats, all kinds of photos and crafts. My wife and my daughter are huge into crafts, so we keep it all very easily accessible, all the crafts together. Luggage, we have large ones, we have small ones inside of these. So everything is real easy to find, easy to get to. If we swing around, I still have to paint the door and put the hardware on. This will all be painted white. This shelf here is camping gear up above, as well as golf shoes, tennis bag, things that we don't access all that often. And then there are some crafts, toys, extra bags. We have cats. We have 2 cats. So we have 3 litter boxes. They're stainless steel. We clean them out consistently. That works really well. But these shelves sit on a rack because I had these shelves. So they're very smart to reuse. We do keep a refrigerator in the basement. This is basically a beverage refrigerator. So that is very handy. I went to the University of Illinois, so I love that. My son goes to Iowa State right now, so we do that. We also utilize some of these existing shelves that we have in place. Very easy to move around. We keep some extra food here. And then down the line, we keep a couple of laundry baskets. And then our laundry, we use these racks. So these bags Each one of us has a bag, and then we have one for towels and one for sheets. It's very easy, so that as clothes come down the laundry chute, they go into this basket. The basket rolls around, it catches things. We can grab out of the basket, throw them into the individual bags. In our household, I do my own laundry. That's it. My wife does hers, my son does his, my daughter does hers. We wanted to teach our kids early on how to do laundry, to do their own, and not ask us, where's this? Why isn't this clean? We didn't want any of that. So they do their own, and they're responsible for it. So our washer and dryer sit right here with the supplies for the washer and dryer sitting right up above. That box back there is an access into a crawl space. So our powder room and our home office and back hallway is underneath a crawl space that's in there, and that's how we access it. I need to make a nicer door. I just haven't done it yet. And then we do have some counter space and some cabinets here. These are actually our old kitchen cabinets. So when we remodeled our kitchen upstairs, we repurposed these cabinets down here, which is really handy because then we can go and access some extra like holiday dishes that are down here. We can also do things like a big platter and extra plates. So this keeps all kinds of extra things. We also keep things like wrapping supplies down here. So this has worked out really well. You can come over and fold onto this. You can go and cut wrapping paper onto this. So I love that. We took out the big, massive concrete shop sink that was here and instead installed a small little stainless steel one, which is perfect for us. That's all we need. Sits there, has a shelf up above for some high strength hand soap. We keep some shop towels, paper towels in here. We do keep just sitting on the floor here, a floor cleaner, and then we do have a small deep freeze here to keep all that extra fun frozen goods. And again, my son goes to Iowa State, so I love supporting that. And I went to Illinois, so I got some more Illinois stuff here. This is the whole utility corner, which is our main panel and our sub panel for the basement and all of our security system and Wi-Fi and all that good jazz. Sits in that corner right around this corner, so you don't really see it. We did also install this rack. My wife has some exercise clothes drying on it, so this rack is terrific because it closes up when you don't need it and it pulls out when you do need it, and it hangs on the wall above these racks where we keep all of the laundry. So it is pretty efficient, pretty clean, pretty organized. This is the way I like to spend this time. We did also make sure that it is really well lit. So we installed these LED light fixtures that are big strip lights that work out really well and light up this whole space fantastically. And my Camp True sign sits right up above. So find a way to make the space yours and have fun with it.